Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video, I will be discussing the most important topics, or you can say the must to prepare topics of nuclear and elementary particle physics, which is going to be there in the part C of the question paper, which means our questions from nuclear and elementary particle physics we will have in 5 marks. So if you're going to solve those questions, you will get the 5 marks for getting the right answer of these questions from the nuclear and elementary particle physics. And most of the times, like, students keep on asking about this thing, that what are the topics from the nuclear and elementary particle physics which they should cover up and which are most expected ones, most important ones, and there are great chances that they can expect the questions from these topics in their upcoming exam. So I hope this video will help you to get that information and to prepare these topics quickly and in less time too. Clear? Because once you will have a clear idea, then you will be able to prepare the topics quickly and you will have like everything clear to you, that what you actually need to do, what kind of preparation is needed, like everything will get clear. So we are going to start the discussion now. But before that, if you are new on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam, then you can subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video. Also click on the bell icon so that you will get the notifications for the new videos which I will upload on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam. Let's start the discussion now. So guys, the first and the most important topic which you should try to cover up, and it's like gonna help you to solve many different type of questions, okay, from the nuclear and elementary particle physics part, that is classification of elementary particles. Okay, what is that first topic? That is classification of elementary particles. But I will even tell you one thing here, that when you are going to prepare this topic, you can do one more thing. You can do some like addition in the topic. Addition means you can even include few more points, because those are going to be the extensions, or you can say which will help you to work on even different kind of questions. Clear? So when I'm going to say the first topic you should try like that, you are going to cover it up before your exam, because it will help you a lot in solving the nuclear and elementary particle physics questions. So that is classification of elementary particles. Clear? But what I'm going to say, that you should even try to cover up that part. Let's talk about it. Clear? So that's going to be that you should know about the properties of particles done along with the classification, and you should know that how the properties which are related to the particles will be helping you to know about the more different type of interactions as well, if you are going to see a particular particle in a kind of reaction. Clear? The given reaction basically. So that thing will help you to answer such type of questions more quickly, in very less time, and just in few seconds. So if possible, whenever you are going to prepare the classification of particles, or you will see or make that table, in that case try to focus on the properties of particles too. It will help you a lot. Clear? Now, second thing. The second thing you need to work on is the conservation laws, which will be something you can include here after knowing about the properties. For example, the charge conservation, the baryon number conservation, the lepton number conservation, the isospin conservation, the third component of isospin conservation, the strangeness number conservation, and all these ones. Clear? Because they will help you to know the type of interaction involved in a particular reaction given to you. So it becomes very important. We will consider it in this part itself. We are not going to note it down separately. Now let's talk about the next point, that is going to be from the nuclear physics part. And what are the topics I'm going to tell you here? These are the most expected ones. These are not all the topics, otherwise you will have all the syllabus with you, the complete syllabus of the subject. You can prepare that. Otherwise, if you are having limited time, or you want to cover up the limited things first of all, so that you will be confident about your preparation and you will be able to solve most of the questions in the exam. So these are the topics you should try to cover up first. The second one will be related to the binding energy formula, or you can say the liquid drop model related formula, or you can say the semi-empirical mass formula. Done? Or the binding energy formula. So based on the binding energy formula, the questions have been asked so many times, okay, in the previous years. But what type of questions have been asked? Clear? So let's talk about it. And even guys, to solve such type of questions, there are tricks. Okay, basically one trick is needed only. So if you want that trick, even tell me in the comment section. I will share it along with the questions which have been asked in the previous years. Clear? So that will make the things more clear to you. If you are not having any idea about the topics I'm talking about right now, please tell me in the comment section. I will try to provide you the details and the information about these topics along with the tricks in the upcoming classes. Done? Okay. So when they asked the binding energy formula based questions, what they asked? Mostly they asked about the most stable isobar. Okay. And for that, you need to find the Z value. And how you find it? By relating it with the delta B upon delta Z, where B is the binding energy. So delta B upon delta Z is equal to 0 if you will take. After simplification, you get the Z value. This is the detailed process. But if you want to work on such type of questions quickly and in less time, and you want me to share that trick, so tell me in the comment section. I will let you know about the trick, and it will make the things very, very, very much clear to you. Clear? And that's going to be quick, easy, simple, and very less time taking. Okay. And you will be able to get everything clearly with the trick I will share related to this part, but it is very important. The third topic, not the formula, the third topic you have to prepare. It's even not a topic, but yeah, it is most expected one. So I'm directly telling you what actually you need to prepare. Done? Okay, let's talk about the third one. The third one is gonna be the next topic which you can't skip and you should not skip. What is that? That's gonna be the shell model. Clear? So related to shell model, they can ask you to find the spin and parity. That means JP. And if you will be able to get it, you will get the answer for such type of questions. The frequency of such type of questions is so good. But when you will be preparing the shell model, I would suggest you one more thing, to prepare the magnetic moment related formula too, because they are gonna be even the expected ones. And even if possible, you can even work on that magic number part. Okay, a little bit. It's gonna be quite easy. Just few things are there. Just know about those magic numbers. What are these magic numbers basically? So they tell you about the stability of a particular nucleus depending on the number of protons and the neutrons present in the nucleus. So when you will just prepare it, you will get to know about that. And if you want me to share such kind of question which have been asked in the previous years based on this topic, or any such topics which I'm going to mention here, please tell me about it in the comment section. I will let you know about that. Clear? So this is going to be the next topic you should try to cover up. And in this one, you will have these different things which you can cover up and related to which you can expect the questions in your upcoming exam. The another most important thing you can prepare is going to be the type of pole. Okay, the type of pole corresponding to the type of transition which is taking place. Okay, so for example, the transition from 2 positive to 0 positive takes place. It is related to the decay part. Clear? You know about the alpha, beta, gamma decays. So it is related to one of these decays. And what you need to know about the pole. For example, electric dipole, electric monopole. Okay, so there we are going to have the components. The components are E1, E2, E3, E4. Okay, and same way M1, that is magnetic components, we will have M2, M3 and M4. That way. Clear? So you need to know about these components, and here we need to identify about the what kind of pole is existing there. So this is going to be another thing. It is quite simple and easy. Even I'm going to have trick for this one, that how you can quickly get the answer for such type of questions. If you want the trick, if you want me to consider it, please tell me in the comment section. I will try to consider this topic and its trick along with the questions in our upcoming sessions on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam. So yeah, you can mention it in the comments if you want that. Okay guys, now the fifth one I'm going to tell you. Okay, that is collective model. So related to collective model, you can even expect the questions in your exam. What kind of questions they can ask you related to, let's say, rotational energy, related to the type of transition which can take place, from what are the spin and parities which are like allowed in this case, and from where the transitions can take place. So that's something important here. So I would say, if possible, at least the previous year questions and some portion which we are going to have in the collective model, you should try to cover that. Okay, and one extra topic after completing these ones, if you will have enough time, these were the 5 must to prepare topics of nuclear and elementary particle physics, which are gonna be the 5 marks questions which you can expect from this part, or these topics based questions you can have. They will be in the part C. Reason behind it, because mostly, and as per our syllabus which we are going to have for CSIR net physics exam, these topics or this subject is in part C, which means even if you will be able to solve such kind of questions, you will get the 5 marks for your right answer. Done. It's very good. And even single mark, like the 1 mark is going to matter a lot. So if you will be getting 3 questions and you are going to get 5 marks for each, you can score 15 marks from this section. So that's going to be, even more can be there. This was just an example. Now, one more point which I want you to check out and I want you to know, because even such kind of questions have been asked in the previous years. So that is going to be how to find the threshold energy, okay, for any given reaction. And the properties, basic properties of nucleus, that's something we all know. For example, the expression of radius, that is R naught, and A related expression. So if possible, you can even check out that part. It's a sort like a small part, and like you can just prepare it quickly. Otherwise, if you want to do limited things, at least cover up this part which I have mentioned here. Okay, it's less time taking, it's quick. Tricks are there to prepare them, and if you want the tricks to prepare the topics which I have mentioned here, for whatever topics the tricks will be available, I will share them with you in my upcoming classes and the sessions here. Done. So you can tell me about it surely. Done. Okay guys, and even if your friends are preparing for the upcoming exams, whether for the CSIR net exam or for the GATE exam, these topics are very important, or even for any other similar exam in which you are going to have nuclear and elementary particle physics as a part of your syllabus, these topics will be helping you a lot, and they are going to be very, very, very important ones. So they are important for all such exams. Clear? Another thing, if your friends are preparing for the upcoming exams, any of these exams, whether NET, GATE or any other similar exam, share the video with them too. Why? Because the video will be helping them in their preparation, and they will get a clarity about what kind of preparation they need to do and what are the topics they actually need to prepare. Clear? So I think it will be very much helpful for them as well. So don't forget to share the video, share it with all your friends, those who are preparing for the exam. And one more thing, like if you are new on this channel, also subscribe the channel. Okay, click on the subscribe button below this video, and that's how guys you will be getting the notification for the upcoming videos too after clicking on the bell icon. Okay, once you will click on the subscribe, you will get the bell icon there. You can click on that too. Okay, one more thing here I'm going to let you know that will be related to the Unacademy Plus subscription. And if you are the one who wants to attend the more regular live classes by the top educators we are having on Unacademy Plus for your upcoming exam preparation, so guys, you can even take the Unacademy Plus subscription in that case. One more thing, whenever you will be taking the Unacademy Plus subscription, you can use and apply the referral code which is Anjali Arora. As mentioned here on the screen, no space in between, spelling should be same. That's how you need to write it and apply it. Okay, you can write all the alphabets like the capital letter and no space in between. One more thing guys, right now even every week the new batches, the new courses are starting on Unacademy Plus. So if you want to attend those sessions and the classes and the courses of those new courses, you can take the subscription. In case if you even find any ongoing course which is already going on helpful and beneficial for you, then in that case, the recordings of the previous classes of that course will even be available to you, and you will be able to check out those recordings and you will be able to cover up that part too, which you have missed. And that's how you will be able to get everything clearly. Now, one more thing, for example, when you are watching the recordings and you are going to find like something is not clear to you, you can ask about it in the doubt clearing session, and that's how everything will get clear to you. Another very important thing I'm going to share here is that there is an update about the 3-month subscription, because the Unacademy Plus subscription is available for different durations. For example, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, okay, different duration. So when you will be proceeding to take the subscription, you will see there, okay, all these different durations and the corresponding subscription amount mentioned there. In that case, there is an update for the 3-month subscription. There can be a price hike soon for the 3-month subscription. So if you are preparing, like you are thinking about getting the subscription and taking the subscription, so in that case, you can take the subscription before there will be a price hike. And whenever you are going to take the subscription, use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as mentioned here on the screen. No space in between, spelling should be same. That's how you need to write it and apply it. And you will be getting the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. Clear? Another thing is how you can proceed to take the subscription. So guys, either you can download the Unacademy learning app, and after that you can select your goal. That will be CSR UGC NET, and that is just the exam you have to select there as a goal. And after that you can proceed further to take the subscription. When you will proceed further, you will get a space to write the referral code. There you will write the referral code as I have shown here. Another thing, in front of that, apply will be written. Click on apply. The code will get applied, and at the same time, you will get the 10% discount in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. And that's how, just by proceeding further, you will be able to take the subscription. So this was the whole process, and I hope everything will be clear to you. After taking the subscription, you will be able to attend the live classes and the courses by all the top educators. You will learn the concepts, tricks, the right approach to solve the questions, and every important thing there. So which will surely help you to take your preparation to a good level, or you can say to the next level. And all the best, guys. You all can do it, but a right guidance is important. Okay, and knowing what actually we need to do, that's very important. So if you will have that information, you will surely be getting like good result of your exam. Clear? Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. I hope each and everything is clear and will be helping you in your preparation too. Thank you everyone.